SpaceX scrubs O3b mPOWER satellite launch. Targets July 22 retry, full details. In a dramatic turn of events, SpaceX had to postpone its scheduled launch of the O3b mPOWER satellites, now setting sights on a backup launch date this Tuesday. Imagine being seconds away from witnessing a rocket soar into the sky, only to hear the launch director's urgent call of hold, 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 just 11 seconds before the planned liftoff. This last-minute halt left many wondering about the reasons behind the delay, which SpaceX did not immediately clarify. But here's where it gets controversial. No specific reason for the scrub was disclosed during the broadcast or in subsequent updates. The suspense continues as SpaceX aims for a new launch window on Tuesday, July 22, with the mission's vehicle and payload reported to be in good health. This mission, using the reliable Falcon 9 rocket from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, is set to deploy the 9th and 10th satellites of the O3b mPOWER series into medium Earth orbit, approximately 8,000 kilometers above the Earth. These satellites are part of a larger constellation designed to enhance global communication capabilities, particularly in underserved areas. And this is the part most people miss. The launch conditions were far from ideal, with only a 50% chance of favorable weather on Monday, worsening to a mere 25% on Tuesday due to expected thunderstorms and showers. Despite these challenges, the seasoned Falcon 9 booster, tail number B1090, which has a rich history of missions including NASA's Crew 10 and multiple Starlink deployments, is scheduled to make its 6th flight. If successful, this landing would mark a significant milestone with the 129th successful recovery on the droneship. Just read the instructions. The satellites, crafted by Boeing and delivered to Florida in early July, represent cutting-edge technology in space communication, boasting software-defined payloads that adapt in real time to user demands. This technology promises to revolutionize connectivity from remote locations, such as airplanes and cruise ships, where users often experience unreliable service. Looking ahead, SES plans to expand this constellation with more launches scheduled through 2026, aiming to enhance network capacity and efficiency in line with growing customer needs. However, the journey hasn't been without its hurdles. Electrical issues in the initial satellites required significant troubleshooting and adaptations in subsequent models. Despite these setbacks, the recent financial reports from SES show a robust 8.4% growth year-over-year, underscoring the potential and resilience of this ambitious project. As we anticipate the next launch attempt, one can't help but ponder, will the weather cooperate, or will SpaceX face another delay? What do you think about the challenges and technological advancements represented by the O3b mPOWER satellites? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. Experience the launch of SpaceX Falcon 9 O3b mPower-D at Kennedy Space Center. *** Witness history in the making. Exclusive launch viewing returns to Kennedy Space Center's iconic gantry at LC-39. After a hiatus of over 2 years, the thrill of launch viewing is back at one of the Space Coast's most revered spots, the newly renovated gantry at LC-39. This isn't just any vantage point, it's a location drenched in the rich history of spaceflight and offers an unparalleled proximity to the action. But here's the catch: tickets are extremely limited making this a rare opportunity for space enthusiasts to experience liftoff in a truly unique setting. LC-39 launch transportation ticket. A priceless experience $99, in addition to admission, front row seat to the rocket's departure from the launch pad approximately 3.4 miles, 5.5 kilometers from the launch pad closer than close. Launch transportation ticket, LTT, required, alongside a valid mission ticket ********** check-in starts at 3:15 p.m. ET *****, with buses boarding from 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time at the Saturn 1B rocket in the Rocket Garden. Enhance your experience with live launch audio, video feed, and expert commentary from a seasoned space communicator. Alternative thrills, launch viewing at the main visitor complex Can't snag a gantry ticket? No worries. The main visitor complex offers an equally electrifying launch day experience. With your admission, enjoy access to designated viewing areas live launch commentary to keep you on the edge of your seat. Exploration of all exhibits and attractions making for a jam-packed day of space discovery. Included with your visitor complex admission Atlantis North Lawn Find your spot to the left of Space Shuttle Atlantis. Catch the rocket as it clears the tree line limited bleacher seating available on a first-come, first-served basis. Approximately 7 miles, or 12 kilometers from the launch pad viewing area opens at 4:00 p.m. ET with launch audio, video, and commentary at your fingertips. Mission overview, the nitty-gritty launch provider SpaceX, pushing the boundaries of space technology. Rocket the formidable Falcon 9 Block 5. Booster landing witness the precision of a droneship landing. Payload the advanced O3b mPOWER satellites, elevating SES-owned O3b networks to new heights. And this is the part most people miss. The O3b mPOWER satellites represent a significant leap in second-generation satellite technology. But what do you think is the most impactful aspect of these advancements? Share your thoughts. Controversy corner with the resurgence of launch viewing at historic sites. Do the exclusivity and costs of such experiences hinder the democratization of space enthusiasm, or do they fund crucial space exploration initiatives? Weigh in with your opinions in the comments below.